Well, everyone, thought I would show you guys this. I was able to get this on just the other day. That last piece on the corner. It's not looking the greatest. I was hoping to have more movement and whatnot, and you can see right here, it's pretty gross. When I was bending it, it wasn't wanting to bend properly, and I had to actually score it with a grinder, you know, because that's the case right there. But I'll get some caulking and whatnot on it. It does have butyl tape behind it. This seam right here is going to be caulked, or not caulked, but lap sealant, non-leveling lap sealant. So all that's going to be taken care of. So, but it's coming along. Hopefully today I'll get that done later on. But we're going to continue to work on the inside. And this is what I've gotten done so far. Is I was working on this. This is what it's going to be. So when it comes up, that's the bed that's going to sit on. And hopefully it'll work out. So here we go.
The next day.
Today I was going to be working and finishing on the bunk. So I decided to, but when I went in there, I saw that there was a bunch of roof rafters that needed to be fixed. So if you look at the left of this, up there, those little slats that I had set up in between each individual rafter, I needed to get some of them screwed into the siding. So I was able to actually have it stick in when I got the roof rail on. So hopefully that will actually stick, but that kind of gives you an idea why I needed to do that.
1 hour later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, guys, today we decided to... Wait. Is that my voice? Is that my voice? Well, oh well. Let's get to it.
Okay, here we go. Wait a minute. My voice changed again. Okay then. Man, these days are so weird lately. Well, to begin with this, we're working on the subfloor so we can finish that, so I can start framing the bathroom, and that way I can get ready for a black tank. When we get ready for the black tank, basically the next step is to get the toilet and the sink and everything else ready to get in there. Prior to that, though, we will be actually putting beadboard up. Hopefully we'll get that done, as well as the insulation done with this that I'm showing you. So hope you guys enjoy.
Hey everyone, thank you for watching my video. If you guys like this video and you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to click subscribe on my YouTube channel, and we post videos every week. So we'll see you on the next one.